If you want to remove a SIM card from your Android device, so we'll cover both of the scenarios, whether have eSIM or physical SIM card. So as for your eSIM, open up your settings. Now you're gonna find your connections tab. After that, as we found our connections tab, we are to find our SIMs. SIM card manager. So if here you'll have an eSIM, you have to simply remove it. You will have this option. Luckily, I don't have it on me right now, so I cannot show it to you, but it works pretty much like this. And as for the physical SIM card, first of all, we have to locate our physical SIM card slot. On my phone, it's right here at the top. However, it may vary depending on your model. Now grab your SIM ejecting tool. Usually comes with the device in the box. However, if you lost it or you don't have it, you can use basically anything like small earring or paper clip. Avoid using needles or sharp objects to prevent damage. So grab your SIM card tool, simply eject it into the hole, push it a bit. Now take out your SIM tray. Here it is. Locate your SIM card and gently push it outside. Now put your SIM card slot back. And basically that's it. That's how you remove your physical SIM card. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.